In this video, I will demonstrate an efficient method for writing articles using OpenAI's ChatGPT. The process is simple. I will copy and paste sections of text, and within the use of ChatGPT, I will quickly be able to complete a fully written article in just a few minutes. If you are interested in learning how to make money using this new technology, this video will show you the way. Watch now to discover how you can use OpenAI's ChatGPT to earn money. In case you're not familiar, ChatGPT is a chatbot that can respond to you in a very human-like fashion. You can chat with it and it will reply to your questions and even write for you. This technology has recently gained popularity because it is quite impressive. In this video, I will show you how it works and how you can use it to make money online. If you're watching this video, it's likely that you're interested in finding ways to earn money online. I'll demonstrate how ChatGPT can be used to answer your questions and write for you. Watch this video to learn more about ChatGPT and how you can use it to make money. To start using ChatGPT, you'll need to sign up for a free account. Once you've done that, you'll be able to explore the different examples and options available for you. You can use ChatGPT to ask questions about any topic you're interested in, from explaining quantum computing in simple terms to discussing any other subject. Additionally, I will show you how you can use this technology to make money. So why not give it a try and see how ChatGPT can benefit you? You can talk to ChatGPT just like you would talk to another person, and it can provide you with valuable information and insights. For example, if you were to ask, what are the 10 best ways to make money online as a complete beginner? It will be able to provide you with a detailed and accurate response. Here it is, as you can see. Additionally, it can also help you write powerful and effective content, which is key to making money online. In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to create content that can help you earn money online. In this example, I'll show you the power of ChatGPT by demonstrating how quickly it can provide valuable information. I simply asked the chatbot, what are the 10 best ways to make money online? And within seconds, it provided a list of suggestions. See this bot generating responses? Amazing, right? These included options such as selling products on an e-commerce platform, whether they be physical or digital, freelancing, selling on Etsy, and creating an app. As you can see, this technology is quite impressive and can provide valuable information in a matter of seconds. If you want to learn more and discover even more ways to make money online. If you are interested in freelancing, you can ask ChatGPT how to start making money as a freelancer. It will continue talking to you as if it were a person, providing you with information and answering your questions. Keep in mind that the conversation will remain on the topic of making money online, so everything that we discuss will relate back to that topic. If you want to discuss something else or ask a different question, you can click on a new chat. This way, the bot can focus on one specific topic. Otherwise, it will be confused. In this conversation, we are discussing making money online, and freelancing is just one example of the many ways to make money online. ChatGPT can teach you about other methods as well, and you can interact with it and ask any question about making money online. In this video, I will show you how I can make money using ChatGPT in just a moment. But first, I want you to see for yourself how powerful this tool is. Ask it any question like how to earn money right now. It will instantly provide you with a list of ideas. This is just the beginning of what ChatGPT can do. It can also act as a program that replaces the needs to read books. For instance, if you ask it, what are the best books on habits? It will provide you with a list of recommended books on a topic, be it personal development or habits, or any other topic that you want to ask about. Take, for example, if you were interested in the book Atomic Habits, you could ask ChatGPT to summarize the book for you, and you'll receive a summary of it in just a few seconds. You don't even have to read the book. You can simply read the summary that the chatbot wrote for you. This means you can save time and focus on the most important aspects of the book. ChatGPT can be used for a wide range of tasks, including creating travel itineraries, writing blog articles, and much more. For example, you could ask it to write a 5-day travel itinerary for Phuket, and it will generate one for you in just a few seconds. One way to make money using ChatGPT is by using it as a tool to help you generate high-quality content to sell on platforms like Fiverr. On Fiverr, people are charging money to help others write articles for their blogs. You can see that people are making money by providing writing services. By using ChatGPT to generate high-quality content, you can do the same. Instead of simply telling the chatbot to write a blog article, you can provide it with more specific instructions, such as write a 500-word article about the 10 habits of highly successful people. This way, you get the higher quality article because the bot will produce the content based on the specific instruction you give. One effective way to use ChatGPT to generate high-quality blog articles is by having it first write an outline for the article. This way, you have a detailed structure to follow when writing the actual article. By skipping this step and simply telling the chatbot to write a blog article, the output will likely be a random collections of ideas, which may not make a coherent, high-quality article. Once you have the outline, you can use the chatbot to write each section of the article one at a time. By breaking the article down into chunks and getting the chatbot to write each one individually, you'll be able to review and make adjustments to each section before moving on to the next. This way, you can refine the article section by section and will ultimately create a high-quality article. When using ChatGPT to generate a high-quality blog article, it's important to have a clear structure in place, including a headline and an introduction. To begin, you can input the headline of the article in ChatGPT and ask it to write an introduction for the blog post. It will give you a strong foundation to build upon for the rest of the article. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will show you a couple of sections on how to use ChatGPT to write a blog article. I will use Google Docs to copy and paste the headline and introduction that I've got from the chatbot, and then I'll use the chatbot to write the first section of the article. The process of writing the whole article can be done by following similar steps. It is important to keep in mind that the quality of the input instructions will determine the quality of the output article. The process of using ChatGPT to generate a high-quality blog article is a step-by-step process. You begin by asking the chatbot to write an introduction for the article, which will serve as a foundation for the rest of the content. Then, you can ask it to write specific sections of the article, such as the first habit of highly successful people. By providing a clear structure, such as bullet points, you can help the chatbot to organize the information and write the section in a clear, concise manner. So, if you really want to write a high-quality article, this is how you do it. First, you create an outline to give a more detailed structure to your article. Then, you ask the AI to write specific sections of the article, rather than just requesting a full article right away. This way, you'll have a more detailed and well-structured article. Once you have all the sections, you can copy and paste them into a document by saving a PDF. So, by using the power of AI tools like Chatbot, you can streamline the process of writing high-quality blog articles. By following the steps outlined in the video, you can use the Chatbot to generate an outline, write specific sections, and even summarize books to help you create high quality content. Once you have finished an article, you can use platforms like Fiverr to sell your writing services to clients and make money. Keep in mind that the quality of your input determines the quality of your output, so it is crucial to be specific and use structured inputs while working with a chatbot. Also, it is important to proofread and edit the final output of the chatbot before submitting it to the client. If you're looking to make money online as a freelancer, one way you can use the power of AI is by using a tool like Chatbot to write high-quality blog articles for you. By using a chatbot, you can quickly and easily generate an outline and structure for your article, and then have the chatbot write the introduction, sections, and conclusion for you. All you have to do is copy and paste the text into a document, and then send it to the person who ordered the article on a website like Fiverr. This can save you time and effort, and help you to produce high-quality work for your clients. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to see more videos on ways to make money online.